subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Last year on February, LG has launched its flagship device as LG G9 ThinQ, and now it's time for the company to announce the successor of it called LG G9 ThinQ. And before the launch, a CAD-based renders of the smartphone has surfaced online by a popular leakster on Leaks in partner with Cash Karo that shows the complete design of the upcoming phone. According to the leak renders, the upcoming LG G9 ThinQ will support a flat display surrounded by a narrow bezels with rounded corners and has teardrop notch at the top center for selfie camera. The screen is said to measure in between 6.7 or 6.9 inch in size. The rear panel of the phone looks to be made up of glass with gradient finish and features horizontally aligned quad camera setup at the top center, including dual LED flash. The details of this quad camera setup were not known at the moment, but we can expect to include a regular RGB sensor as the main camera, accompanied by a wide-angle lens plus telephoto lens and a macro lens. The front and curved back panel of the device is holded by a metallic frame. Notably, there is no physical fingerprint sensor on the rear or side panel. That means the phone will feature an in-display fingerprint sensor. The volume rockers along with the power button are located on the right edge, and on the left appears to be a Google Assistant button. The SIM card slot is on the top, while the speaker grill, microphone, a USB Type-C charging port along with an 3.5mm headphone jack is present on the bottom, which is an interesting part as many companies have discontinued 3.5mm headphone jack on their flagship devices. The physical dimensions of the smartphone is said to measure around 169.4 by 77.6 by 8.8 mm or 9.4 mm, including rear camera bump. Apart from this, there is no other details of LG G9 ThinQ has leaked so far. Talking about the release date, as the LG G9 ThinQ was unveiled at MWC last year, so by this we can expect LG G9 ThinQ may launch at MWC 2020, that is going to start in late February. So as of now, that's all we know about the LG G9 ThinQ, and we'll come to know more detail about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.